catalytic questions. What are they? Well, according to the author Hal Gregersen, these are questions that you can use to solve the most significant problems. And I first came across this while reading Chip Conley's Learning to Love Midlife, my second favorite book about midlife after the amazing Falling Upward by Richard Rohr. Anyway, back to catalytic questions. Gregersen suggests there are 5 stages. First of all, we have grab a whiteboard and some friends and then stare at this whiteboard. Leave your biases at the door and then get ready to come up with solutions to world problems. He does emphasize standing up through the first few stages of it, because who says you cannot burn calories whilst being creative? Stage 2, pick a problem. Now you got to make sure that this problem is both intellectually and emotionally stimulating, or you may not end up caring enough about it to come up with some solutions. Next, go back to that whiteboard and you're going to cover that with questions. Gregersen suggests between 50 and 75 questions. He also recommends spending about 20 to 30 minutes on this particular part. Next, stage 4, narrow it down. Take a step back and admire your questions. But you're going to need to select the most catalytic questions, the ones that will be most disruptive. These should be questions you cannot answer immediately and will require you to investigate further, but only pick 3 to 4. You don't want to spread yourself too thin. Finally, stage 5. You have to do the work, as Stephen Pressfield would say. Gregersen suggests picking any style or as many styles as you want, be it interviews, going out and doing online research, or rapid prototyping. But whatever it is, you have to find those, whatever it is, you have to find the answers to those questions.